Massive, potentially hazardous asteroid to head towards Earth in 48 hours. The Earth's orbit can face danger in the next 2 days, as a massive asteroid is expected to zoom past the planet over the next 48 hours. The asteroid is around 1 kilometer wide, making it huge in size, and can massive damage if it collides with the Earth. Space researchers and scientists have classified this asteroid as potentially hazardous, as the huge rock is likely to crash into the Earth's orbit in the next 2 days. The National Aeronautics and Space Administration, NASA, is keeping a close check on the asteroid, according to reports. The massive asteroid is named 2003 SD220, and NASA's Ames Exploration Center has categorized this asteroid as potentially hazardous. The scary asteroid is a whopping kilometer wide, according to scientists, and will have a close encounter with our planet very soon. The asteroid was first discovered in September 2003 when astronomers spotted it from the Lowell Observatory near Earth Object Search. The massive rock belongs to the Aten group of space objects. This asteroid revolves around the Sun in an orbit between Venus and Earth. It completes one revolution around the Sun every 9 months. This asteroid has zoomed past the Earth several times, and the closest it ever came was December 22, 2018. Scientists also have plans to send robotic missions and technical equipment on the asteroid 2003 SD220 so that they can gain more information regarding the birth of the solar system. Even a distance of millions of kilometers between the planet and the asteroid is considered dangerous, and hence, scientists are keeping a close eye on the massive rock. NASA considers any fast-moving object passing inside 190 million kilometers of the Earth as a near-Earth object, NEO. Another asteroid, which is almost 10 times the size of the Rockefeller Christmas tree, is expected to zoom past the Earth soon, which can be dangerous for the planet.